Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, I wanted to share with you a little bit about my relationship to nature and how it has affected my healing journey. I've always been really connected to the animal world and to nature, but not really like in a bodily sense, more like an escape. So when I was little, I always used to like escape into relationships with, dogs or cats or animals because they are, in their senses and they are open. So they always had medicine for me. It wasn't until I became a mother, I was living on a boat, and I started feeling the need to put my feet on the soil that I discovered forest therapy. And so I started the program with the Association of Nature and Forest Therapy and became a guide. And becoming or remembering that I am nature, my nervous system has always been very alert. I've always identified myself, with the prey animal, the victim consciousness, let's say. Um, so I've always, avoided many situations that has overwhelmed me. That has been my challenge all my life. Um, so when I started like spending time just being in nature and opening my senses to the moment, I really felt like this ability to be open and sensitive was a positive thing. It was a place where I could be myself without feeling the need to shield myself. And so I would have experiences of, being in the forest and getting really close to deers or squirrels or other animals that uh, was okay with me being there because I was still and I was there with peace and respect. And when we spend time in nature and stillness, um, there's something that happens with our energy, and I believe that this connection is really vital for our healing as humans because remembering that we are our nature is really like a vital key to our well-being. So when we connect with the elements and nature and the living beings in nature through our senses and our imaginary senses, we become animals, And animals, they exist in their bodies and in their senses. And so our senses and our bodies really connect us to the present moment. And having experienced, early childhood trauma, I've never really, I was never comfortable in my body. I never felt safe being in body and in the present. And so for me, this um, time spent being in the forest and actually feeling safe and held in nature was really like the like a really important part of my healing journey because I was becoming aware that my challenges also had like another side, and that side could be used as something positive. And also like beginning to understand really the nervous system and how like safety, feeling safe, and being embodied is uh, really a key to healing. And then there's the aspect of being a woman, being a nurturing, giving mother. We are connected to Mother Earth, and we need to nurture ourselves as well as mothers. And so that's what I do when I do my ceremony, usually connected to the new moon and the full moon. I hold so much space for my daughter, my family, and other women that this time for my own ceremony is really important to reload, and connect. We as women, throughout ages, it hasn't really been safe, to be a woman and to show our talents and abilities. And, we live in a patriarchy still, and there's a lot of generational trauma in regards to expressing ourselves and being open. So, creating a space in nature that allows for openness and vulnerability, as well as, rage and anger, um, is important. It's important to create that space where all is welcome. And nature always has wisdom for us if we're able to just open up to the moment. There is always medicine in the present moment for those who listen. That might be, warmth or surrender, beauty. And we're not visitors in nature. We are nature. Nature runs through us. So by connecting with the elements and nature and our senses, we remember that we are just, another aspect. We're just another vibration. Mm. That's my offering for you today, friends, and thank you for supporting my work, and I'll see you soon.